Hey there. Just taking a little breather before the next big journey. It's funny how a single melody can make you feel so close to home, no matter where you actually are. You know, the world looks completely different when you're viewing it from above the clouds. We've been through a lot together, haven't we? And honestly, I wouldn't trade it for anything. Ever get that feeling that something incredible is just around the corner? Because I definitely do right now.
I've got stuff. Sorry. It's cash only. Sorry, Peng. I don't have time. Why don't you ask the other kids? Very funny. Oh, I ate on my way back, so I'm good. I can't. Because I sold it. I'm sorry. No. Someday.